our channel, so we're gonna reveal Barbie salon. So for this you need water to dunk it in, and it's the directions. So you could get one of these dolls. So you could get this one with blue hair, this one with pink hair, this one with purple hair, and the other side you could get pink hair and purple hair and yellow hair. The same thing over here. So it comes off a dress and it smells like popcorn or. So I'm gonna rewrap it. It's a pink doll, I think. So this Barbie doll can work. This Barbie doll right here is gonna reveal her like so excited. Warm water and you have to dunk her in here, and my mom made a little snip and you have to put the water in here and you have to shake it for a little bit. So we're gonna get started putting her in there. Could I touch her? Ew, look at it.
How does she feel?
They paint her.
Mm-hmm.
Look at it's revealing her. Look at her feet is starting to reveal. She's revealing. Look at.
Is she done?
Look at. She revealed.
Just dunk her head in there.
We flipped her over. She's done.
Let's see. Cute.
Now she walks out of the bathtub. She makes a lot of messes and she sits down. Then she kisses. But no, can I have your scissors?
3.
Her skirt.
Does it have polka dots? Oh no, it's wait, is it cupcakes?
It says sprinkles. Smell like. What does it smell like? What does it smell like?
New clothes. She can have a blow. Oh yeah.
Then it spins.
Slippery. Ooh, that's a cute hair.
She's gonna get it wet.
Yeah.
But it's okay, right?
Mm-hmm.
But it could dry off. I need some help. So I'm gonna take off this little band. Why?
It comes like that. It's supposed to be a ponytail.
Why?
That's how they did her. You have one more bag.
It's her blue shoes.
Does it flow also?
I know it sinks when I push it down. She's all done.
Okay, she could wait with Celestia and let's see who we got on the other.
And then we could put her in the water with the other ponies to talk with.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna be her. You're gonna be the other one, okay?
Mm-hmm.